Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover that's just landed in stock with us. This one in particular is an SE, so fantastic specification, which we'll talk a little bit more about when we get right round the car. And it is a D350, so 350 brake horsepower diesel engine, finished off in the stunning Fuji white. Now we've got this contrasting silver lettering and grille on this vehicle, as well as a nice option of a 3D surround camera, which gives us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the vehicle, of course, as well as the surround sensors. We've got silver sparkle alloy wheels, lots of nice accents of the silver and the darker greys right round the car. But one of my favourites, and I think looks really well on the white car, is the fact that we've got the black contrast roof. Now that comes of course with the black mirror caps. We've got deployable door handles, keyless entry, which gives us nice things like walk-away locking and approach unlocking as well. Blind spot monitoring on those wing mirrors, as well as being power folding, and we've even got privacy glass, which, believe it or not, is not standard on this car, but looks to be fitted from the factory. Now, coming round to the rear, of course, we do have a powered electric tailgate. It is a split tailgate, which will take the weight of me, and I'm more than happy to sit on there. It will take my weight. We have got rear seat remote levers. We have got air suspension controls in the rear as well, and you will just about see the back of that Perlino interior, which we'll see very shortly as we look into the back of the car. Now you'll see there's no clear signs of wear and tear. The back of it looks like it's hardly ever been sat in, but most importantly I want to talk to you about the fact that this car has the rear seat entertainment. Now I think this option is about £3,500 specking it from new, but very expensive option, very sought after option as well. Meridian speakers, reclining the rear seats, lots of options with those windows as well. So if we want to take a little walk around to the front of the car, we've got, again, lots of adjustment in those electric seats, memory functionality, electrically adjustable steering wheel, which actually saves with the memory as well. Now, 36,656 miles on this particular vehicle, a fully customisable, huge digital dashboard on Range Rover. And steering wheel wise, again, the nice contrast of that Perlino leather on there. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, one of my favourite features when I'm driving down the motorway, aluminium paddles at the back, auto lights and wipers, and a huge infotainment system on this vehicle, park assist, 3D camera. Again, just want to highlight that you do get that nice bird's eye view when you come to park this bigger car. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, as well as of course your navigation, media functionality on the vehicle. Now we've got dual zone climate control down here, heated seats, heated windscreen, lots and lots of options right across this car. That nice natural oak veneer as well. Wireless device charging, keyless start stop, all the typical driving modes that we'd expect to find in Range Rover. And looking between the two front seats, again, yeah, lots of storage space between the two front seats. But finally, if we're looking up ahead, one really nice option on this car again is the fact that we do actually have a sliding opening panoramic sunroof. So again, this is a D350 SE Range Rover, finished off in the stunning Fuji white. But if you do have any further questions or would like any more information on this car, please note it is approved. It will come with a minimum of 12 months warranty, but please do not hesitate to contact us, and that's on 01642 644 444. Thank you.